Okay, hi. It's literally like, oh, I captured it. I'm manifesting all angel numbers.
Okay, angel number 222 has a hopeful message. It indicates that all projects of your interest will come true no matter what. If your current situation shows otherwise, in long term you will see greater results.
I know, it's all working out for me because all that lucky girl syndrome is happening to me. Okay, anyways, it's 2 to 4 now, and last night I was partying till like 4, and I came home at 5, and then I slept and I woke up at 12. I never wake up in the afternoon. That's not me. So today that happened to me, and it's Sunday today, and I don't like wasting my Sundays because I feel like on Sunday I can get so much done. And today when I woke up, I was like, okay, my day is wasted. What will I do? Of course, I felt like, okay, half the day is done. I should probably like stay in bed, watch Netflix or something, and just waste my day. But then I saw Fernanda's video that just randomly popped on my YouTube, and it was talking about how to save a half-wasted day, and I was like, that is it. That is exactly what I have to do. So that is exactly what we're gonna do today. Save my day and get my things done because I'm so sure that at the end of the day I'm gonna feel so good. And there's something super exciting that I've planned for myself for today because I really want to treat myself. So tonight is gonna be beautiful, I know it. So before that happens, I have to get everything on my list done. But first I have to eat something because like the last meal that I had was at like 9 p.m. last night. She is happy now because her stomach is happy. Food is one thing that can make me so happy. I think it's my zodiac. I'm a May Taurus, and I feel like everything in my life revolves around food. I kind of am also happy because I have a major sweet tooth and I ate like 4 of my chocolates. That's too much sweet, but that's okay. It's Valentine's Day and it's okay. So yeah, now that I'm full, we are gonna do a little bit of cleaning, and after that I'm gonna take a quick shower, do my skincare. After cleaning for an hour or so, I stepped into the shower and took a good shower, which was followed by a skincare routine. As soon as I stepped out of the shower, I got a call from my friends saying they are in my area, and I said, let's go, why not catch up? So they came to my place, and then we were all hungry, so we went to Subway.
Guess the dance.
Okay. Very easy kind. Oh, I have to guess.
We have to guess.
मुझे तो कुछ याद ही नहीं आ रहा.
Easy. I know. 1, 5, 6, 7.
पर मुझे क्यों नहीं याद आ रहा है?
Savage.
Sure. Classy. Acting stupid. Savage. Okay, so I am almost done with everything on my list, and now I'm going to watch Tamasha. It's re-releasing in a lot of PVRs along with other movies like DDLJ and एक और थी जब we met. Yeah, so I'm going on a solo movie date. I'm quickly gonna put like a basic fit. I'm probably gonna wear this cool t-shirt that I received in a PR. Once I come back, I am gonna plan my week because that's the last thing that's left on today's agenda. But right now I'm running late, so I'm quickly gonna get ready and get going. This is my fit for my solo movie night. It's very comfy, very basic, and yeah. It is so hard to find a rickshaw. I can't. Like, I just know that 20 rickshaws are gonna reject me, and then this one God sent rickshaw wala uncle will be like, chalo. So I'm just walking and hoping that I get a rickshaw. It's literally the best night that I've experienced since a really long time. 10 out of 10, highly recommend watching movies alone, especially if they are like OG movies. It's been an experience. I love that movie. I have cried so many times while watching the movie. It was magical. It felt unreal watching it on big screen. It was a whole different experience. I am so happy. Now, what the hell? It's such a big lizard. Anyways, now I'm quickly gonna change and we're gonna plan my week because tomorrow is Monday.